Hello everyone, this is Just a Dad. Today I'm going to do a review on this Roborock Q7 Max Plus replacement filter. So this filter is inside this dustbin here. You can wash it. This is what the filter looks like. It's got like this material that's inside this hard plastic case. So you're going to lift this up. You're simply going to pinch this tab, lift this straight up, and the filter is kept right here on the side. Pinch this little tab right here, it comes out. Now what I like to do is I like to blow this out. There is some material in there, and then we're going to rinse this out and let it dry. Okay, I'm going to blow from this side, and you'll see some of the stuff will come out. There might be some material that's down in there a little bit, but again, this material is meant to get wet, and you can wash this. Dimensions real quick, this filter is about 4 inches by about 1 3/4 inches. And thickness wise, it's not real thick, about 1/2 inch thick. Okay, so let's go over cleaning it. You know, it's okay to get it, you can rinse this, get you a little brush. Sometimes you can scrub in there a little bit. You're gonna get this all nice. It's gonna come really clean, and rinse it from the other side. See all that stuff coming out of there? You can get this all really nice and clean. And keep reusing this. That stuff will rinse out of there like that. Okay, so here I'm done rinsing out this filter. You can see there's a little bit left in there, but make sure this is nice and dry. Let this dry 24 hours at least. You can blow some air through here to help it dry, but it's got to dry for 24 hours. Now, while I've got this apart, you can see inside, I'm going to take this over the sink. I'm going to get this clean because I can let this dry and this dry overnight. Yeah, I'm going to take a brush. You can see sometimes this inside this chamber gets kind of wet. So I hope this video on the Roborock Q7 Max Plus on the replacement washable filter helps. Thanks everybody for watching.